So, you want to know something that's really fun to do? You guys should all try it. It's very hilarious, actually.
It actually really is. Like,
so what you do is you just kind of like go and like walk by some random people. It's really fun to do in like malls or at school or something. You just like walk by them and like make farting noises or something. It's really funny. My sister did it one time and like these people like gave us really dirty looks. And then we walked by again and then we like stared at them and like gave them really dirty looks. And it's really funny. You just sit there and, like I don't even know, just like make some, like it doesn't even matter what kind of noise you make, just like,
well, actually just make a weird noise or something,
Yeah.
because it's freaking.
just make some like weird noise or just be like outrageous and everything, like they'll give you some really funny looks and it's really funny. Yeah.
Oh,
You guys should try that. Comment below and tell me how you make out with that. Okay, bye.